loves, hope you guys are doing well. Before I get into this video, I'm just going to ask one little favor. Go ahead and subscribe and make sure you hit the bell button. That way you get notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks for joining the family, and I appreciate that. So I was not able to film washing these brushes. I might do that in another video. But with this video, I'm just going to show you guys how I fix my makeup brushes when the handle comes off of the ferrule. So as you can tell, these brushes are clean, well to go. So I'm going to show you guys one by one how I fix these, broken brushes, if you want to call it that way. As you can tell, that's the brush, the bristles, and that's the ferrule and the handle all apart. So I'm just going to put that together and I'll show you guys. So this is quite affordable, really cheap. You can find this if you have a kid at home, or even if you have this Mod Podge. It is amazing to use and it lasts long, okay guys? So I have this one, which I think I grabbed from Walmart. I'm going to be using that. All I got to do is just dip the handle in there, pull it out, and then dip that right into the ferrule, twist it a little bit, and then it's good to go. I'll show you guys real quick. So like I said, I'm gonna dip the handle right into the glue, that and twist it around. Just make sure you're not dipping too deep. You just want to dip right to the line where it ends. You know where the ferrule actually ends, and it's usually demarcated, so you can tell. After dipping and twisting, I just take off the excess, and then I'm gonna put that right into the ferrule. Now you want to do this very slowly, okay guys? Take your time when doing this. And while you're doing this, you're twisting slightly, that way the glue does not run off of the handle. So slowly twisting and still dipping in and pushing further. While pushing, you're twisting, guys. Keep that in mind. Push and twist, push and twist. Now with any excess glue, you can just rub that off with your finger and that's good to go. I will sit that down on the paper towel and allow that to dry. This should take about 30 minutes at most, I think. It should be good to go. We're going to try this the second time. So if you have a brush in hand, let's do this again. So I'm dipping this other purple brush handle right into the glue, twisting like I said before, and make sure you're not exceeding the demarcated line already on the handle. Take off any excess glue you don't need so it does not run off. That way you don't create a mess. And then once that's done, we're once again going to dip that into the ferrule for that particular handle. Do not put that in the wrong ferrule, guys. It might not fit or it might just be a mess. So make sure you put in the handle right back into the right ferrule, okay? If you guys go straight into it, it's just going to create a mess and it's going to push all the glue right back out. So what you don't want to do is push the glue right back out. You want to dip it and twist it in. That pushes the glue along with the handle. Okay, and you're going to have just a little bit left behind. Just wipe that off with your hand. And this is just white glue, so you can just wash that off easily. I'm going to sit that down for about 30 minutes and then that should fix it, guys. And that really lasts a long time. That's all I do. I don't use any expensive products. It's really easy to do, and I hope you guys try this out. If you're a makeup artist, or if you're somebody who's really into makeup and do makeup all the time, you know that sometimes the foundation and concealers get on the handle as well. We sometimes forget to clean that, but this is just what I do to clean the handles of my makeup brushes, okay? So this is what I do once in a while, just to keep it clean and not just the bristles. So using a makeup wipe and my favorite micellar cleanser, I am just gonna, pour a little bit on the makeup wipe and then take one handle or take one makeup brush, because it's together. Take one makeup brush and slowly wipe it down, and you will realize it has a whole lot of dirt. You probably never noticed it, and some of this dirt might not be visible, so if you don't wipe it down, you will never know. And these also transfer germs, so you want to make sure you're wiping down your handles all the time if you can, okay? So as you can tell, I'm wiping, and it's all dirt, dirt, dirt. It's nice and dirty, okay? So I'm going to show you guys when it's done. Guys, can you see how much dirt I got off these makeup brushes? It's a mess. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That's just my little way of cleaning my makeup brushes, and I hope you guys try that out. Simple, short, easy, cheap, guys. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a thumbs up and share as well. And as always, keep safe, guys. Peace out. Mwah.